One difficult thing I did was learn a new language. I think learning a new language is a pain in the neck, and it really drove me crazy. It really like really tested my patience, and I had to basically like spend so much time and energy on it in order to learn a new language. And it also took like more than 6 months, especially because I was a beginner. For 6 to like basically 8 months is what it took me to learn a new language. How did I complete it? I decided because I was a beginner, so I decided to join a coaching institute, or decided to like hire a professional who would help me or give me guidance. It was helpful because they know the gist. They know what you need to know, because there's so much information out there that you cannot learn everything. So I decided to focus on the things that I need to know in order to get the desired band, and then like practice on that material. So there are basically four modules: listening, reading, and writing. And I had to get the tips and tricks, and then also understand the criteria, the way IELTS judges these criteria. So I had to get that into my mind, and then practice on it. Why it was difficult? It was difficult because like understanding the criteria and practicing on it was quite challenging, and it was like it's a pain in the head. I said, as I said before, it's really like sometimes you lose motivation. Your brain stops making progress, and then sometimes you have other things to do as well. And uh, if you're a working professional, you're probably going to have a lot on your plate because of the work you do. So I think that is quite challenging, and that's what it makes it difficult. How you felt about doing it? Initially, I was inspired, but every now and then I was sometimes inspired. Sometimes I felt down. I was also not really motivated sometimes, because when I would not achieve the desired band in the practice test, I would basically feel like down. Sometimes I'm not gonna be able to do it. But I think consistent perseverance or consistent effort is something that really helped me achieve this goal.